Hi guys, if you haven't been here before, I'm Andrea from Andrea's Kidney Transplant Life. And one of the reasons why it's important to be stress-free is that you cannot be approved for your kidney transplant unless you have your hypertension under control. That's just one of the things that's really important for surgery. Some of the things that I do to keep myself stress-free when I was on dialysis and now that I am a kidney transplant patient, I do a lot of journaling and I do coloring. So these are some of the things in addition to coloring that I do. I do a little bit of painting. I went to the very inexpensive dollar store and I got this. And I did this 2 nights ago. It was so calming for me. Before I go any further, this video is part of an open collaboration hosted by Marlene's How To's and co-hosted by Penny, Deborah, Katrina, Classieandra, Mary, Prameela, Roselin, and me. And then I started this one and I finished it. And I got so sleepy. It was so relaxing. I started this one and I couldn't finish it. You can go to any Walmart, you could go to any art store or any dollar store, and you would find something like this. It's a very cool art kit. And I'm going to open it for you so you can see how it works, what it has. There, isn't that lovely? It has markers and crayons and color pencils, and it has this handy dandy paintbrush that I used, and these are the paint colors, all primary colors, and you can mix and match. I don't get too fancy with my painting. I literally just dip a little water in here, I put it to the side, and as I'm painting, I'll dip my brush in and I'll change my colors, and it's really easy and it's so relaxing. So I'm gonna put this back together. It looks very neat. It looks like a briefcase, but it's all a ruse to keep your painting materials all in one place. One more thing that I like to do too is a little bit of apartment gardening. So if you have a small space, you can use these plants in little pots or bigger pots and add them together, potted gardens. And you could also go to your local Home Depot and get something like this. This is a fully planted, beautiful plant. It's a little pricey. It's $13.98 and it's Whiskey Zinnia. And there are quite a few that have not bloomed yet, so I'm just anxious to see how lovely they're going to be. Now that we've covered some of the things that I do indoors, I'm going to go outside and show you how I pot my plants, like these lovelies that I got today from Home Depot.
Here I am, spraying my stepping stool that my son made. Now I'm planting my flowers. Wait for the reveal.
Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.